In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI models. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI, then press Enter. You'll see results for the official site. Look for the one that's simply labeled Claude or Claude.ai and click it to go straight to the chat experience. Once the page loads, you'll be on a clean interface with a message box at the bottom. This is where you'll write your prompt. A good prompt clearly states your goal, any constraints, and the context you care about. For example, instead of saying, write something about marketing, you could say, create a 200-word product intro for a stainless steel water bottle aimed at commuters. Keep the tone friendly and practical. Clear direction helps the model respond accurately and saves time. Before you send your prompt, choose which Claude model you want to use. Near the message box, open the model selector. Claude offers different options optimized for speed or depth. As a quick guide, Haiku is typically the fastest and most affordable, great for brainstorming, short answers, and high-volume tasks. Sonnet is balanced for reasoning and quality, and Opus is the most capable for complex analysis and long, nuanced writing. For this walkthrough, we'll use Haiku 4.5, so you can see how quickly it responds while still delivering solid results. Go ahead and click Haiku 4 and 5 in the model list. With your model selected and your prompt ready, click Submit. You should see the response appear within a moment. If the answer needs a tweak, refine your prompt directly in the message box. Add details like length, audience, dumsel, against, tone, or format, and submit again. Iterating this way helps you dial in exactly what you want. Be specific about the outcome you expect, such as asking for 3 options, a 150-word limit, or a friendly expert tone. Those cues help Claude shape the final answer. A few quick tips for better results. Keep each request focused on a single task. If you're working from source text, summarize what matters in the prompt. And if you need structured output, mention the structure explicitly, such as bullet-style key points or an outline. Also, avoid including private or sensitive information in your prompts. Keep examples generic whenever possible. That's all there is to it. You searched for Claude, opened the official site, wrote a clear prompt, selected Haiku 4.5, and submitted your request. With these basics, you can confidently explore other Claude models whenever you need more depth or speed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Claude.